Tata Motors, India's largest commercial vehicle manufacturer, has signed a 5-year Memorandum of Understanding with the Meghalaya Rural Bank, a joint undertaking of the Government of India, the State Government of Meghalaya and the State Bank of India to bring a set of attractive financial solutions to its customers. With benefits applicable across the Tata Motors small commercial vehicles range, this tie-up will aim to facilitate seamless availability of financing for aspiring buyers. Tata Motors will leverage Meghalaya Rural Bank's strong network across the state, spanning more than 90 branches and customer touchpoints to make these solutions accessible for customers. As a market leader in the commercial vehicle space, Tata Motors constantly engages with its customers to assess their needs and requirements on the product and services front, as well as from a finance support perspective. Tata Motors continues to invest in customer-oriented endeavors and initiatives to ensure a smooth and seamless financing experience to its current and potential customers. The attendees to the event included the chairperson of the Meghalaya Rural Bank's Shillong Dicky, the Vice President, Sales and Marketing Commercial Vehicle Business, Tata Motors Rajesh Kaul, officials of both the Meghalaya Rural Bank and Tata Motors besides others. Commenting on this partnership, the chairperson of the Meghalaya Rural Bank, Shillong Dicky, said that the Meghalaya Rural Banks are delighted to connect Aspirations in the state of Meghalaya through their tie-up with Tata Motors.
Now, when we are signing the MOU between MRB and TML, what really attracted me was the word connecting aspirations. So I am delighted to share with you that MRB is also committed to connect aspirations and serve the people of Meghalaya through Tata Motors. Now, thank you. Rural connectivity is a huge challenge. Now, when we have a vehicle like this, especially which will help the people in the rural areas to get their produce, come to the market areas, I think this is a total win-win situation because there will be a huge employment generation. Not only that, I believe that the people in the rural areas will also, there will be a lot of economic potential in the rural areas. And nowadays, if you look at the market scenario in Meghalaya, especially, urban area is actually saturated. The real potential lies in the rural areas, and rural area is a marketplace where we actually have to concentrate our effort. So Rural Bank, we are totally in the rural areas, and we have seen our business also grow. In fact, of course, this is a balance sheet figure that I'm quoting with you. From 90 lakhs, we have increased our profit to 22 crores only last year, within 1 year. So that is how much potential the rural area has. And this year we have signed a lot of MOUs with the state government also. And we hope that this MOU will be another MOU which will actually be a feather in the cap. But more importantly than that, what I really feel is this, that it should and it must benefit the people of Meghalaya.